Base 9, this is Falcon 1. We're approaching the platform. Dropping off the recruit now. Watch your step. It's slick out there.
Subject 217, newly hired. Guards, escort Subject 217 to the briefing.
You, follow me. Welcome to Arden Corp. You have been assigned to the Payload Retrieval Division. This division is tasked with one purpose: recovering valuable resources from active drills located at our underwater facilities. Efficiency is critical. Maintain strict compliance with retrieval protocols at all times. All necessary equipment has been provided. You may use your own resources to acquire additional gear or equipment if needed. The resources you retrieve drive technological advancements and sustain Arden Corp's operational superiority. Failure to complete objectives is not an option. Good luck.